In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Patreon to Twitch. If you want to link your Twitch account to Patreon, the process is pretty simple, and it only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. This connection is useful if you want your Patreon profile to reflect your Twitch presence more clearly, and it can help keep your creator accounts tied together in one place. To get started, head over to Patreon and make sure you're logged into the correct account. Since account connections affect your profile settings, it's always a good idea to double check that you're signed into the creator account you actually want to update before making any changes. Once you're on Patreon, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a 3-dot menu there. Go ahead and click that to open the account options. This area contains additional navigation and settings that aren't always visible on the main page. So if you've had trouble finding account controls before, this is the spot you need. After the menu opens, click on Settings. This will take you into the section where Patreon lets you manage your account preferences, profile details, and connected platforms. If the layout looks a little different on your screen, don't worry too much. Platforms occasionally update their interface, but the settings and account sections are usually named very similarly. Inside Settings, click on Account. This is where Patreon keeps your account level options, including linked services and social connections. Take a moment to make sure you are on the right tab, because some settings pages focus on membership or creator tools instead. Now, look for the social links section. This is the area where Patreon lets you connect outside platforms to your account. Depending on your screen size, you may need to scroll a bit to find it, so just move slowly through the page until you see the available connection options. When you find Twitch in that section, click Connect. Patreon will begin the linking process and may prompt you to sign into Twitch or authorize the connection. If that happens, simply follow the on-screen instructions to approve access. Make sure you're connecting the correct Twitch account before confirming, especially if you manage more than one profile. Once the connection is complete, your Patreon and Twitch accounts should be linked. That's all it takes. If the button doesn't respond right away, try refreshing the page or checking whether your browser is blocking pop-ups, since authorization windows sometimes open separately. And that's how to connect Patreon to Twitch.